If you've recently begun working from home, here are some ways to stay upbeat and continue with your great work. Firstly, follow your standard routine, waking up at the same times as you usually would for work and taking regular breaks and lunch. Set up a space that you only use for work, for a change of scenery and to help you concentrate. Use video calls to catch up with your colleagues on work and life, making you feel connected, motivated and collaborative. Use task management software to track your team's progress and remain on schedule. Do not strain yourself by staying in the same position for long periods. Take a 3-minute break every 30 minutes. Make sure you get at least 30 minutes of exercise every day, ideally outdoors if possible. Find out what helps you to concentrate. Music and ambient sound are popular choices. Finally, and most importantly, look after your mental health by staying in touch with others and maintaining a varied lifestyle. With these in mind, you'll be doing great work at home in no time.